Looking for a way to make your trip to Seoul truly unforgettable? Don't just buy a souvenir, create one. Welcome to the Silver Clay Craft Experience, right here in the heart of Seoul. Here, you can design and create your very own one-of-a-kind silver jewelry. We're talking pure silver that you can shape, mold, and craft with your own hands. Never done this before? No problem. Our friendly, multilingual instructors will guide you every step of the way. You'll start by sketching your idea, then bring it to life by shaping the clay. Add your own touch with initials or sparkling stones. Then watch the magic happen as your piece is fired and transformed into solid silver. After a final polish, it's yours to take home all on the same day. This is the perfect activity for everyone. You can make special memories with your partner, have a fun family day out, or even create a unique piece of K-jewelry with your friends. It's a hands-on cultural experience you just won't find anywhere else. You can create a stylish ring, a beautiful necklace, or maybe a charming pendant. It's an affordable and meaningful way to capture your time in Korea. Ready to craft your memory? You can book online through sites like My Real Trip, or just contact us directly by phone or email. Walk-ins are also welcome. Your Korean adventure deserves a special memento. Make it with your own hands. We can't wait to see what you'll create.